There are there are those that kidnap animals from the wild environment into their charred so that resisting them in any way has a bad influence on the animals. Zoos that are supposed to look after animals have turned into places to display animals such as lions, elephants, snakes, and giraffes to get money from visitors without actually protecting them. Answering the definition sections. In this debate, what needs to be underlined is ban and zoo. Ban can be interpreted as prohibiting something which is usually based on law or order. An example is a law prohibiting the use of firearms or a law prohibiting films that contain some things. Meanwhile, a zoo be interpreted as a place where animals are kept in situ or artificial conversation and shown to the public. Usually, these animals are protected animals because they are threatened with extinctions. To point the mechanism we will carry out is firstly, we will make a law regarding those that do not really care for and protect animals. And second, we will turn to zoo into an animal sanctuary where the animals we mean are animals that have excessive population in their environment and populations that are threatened in the environments. The animal center here is not a place like, for instance, where animals are seen by the public, but a place that really makes the animals comfortable and safe. Here, we have two arguments that we will talk about. Firstly, about why zoos do more harm to animals, and the second argument about why zoos will eliminate their natural habits. Let's talk about the first argument. Why these harm animals more? The, kidnap, the kidnapped animals are then placed in small tents so that processing them in various ways brings many bad things to the animals. Treating our reasons. Firstly, the animals are captured are often used by force or even hired hunters to be packed into trucks and imprisoned in small tents. Usually, this will win young animals to sell them to the public to earn money, while their mothers are sometimes killed to be separated from them, their children, and use them for other needs. The second reason, the care of animals is really detrimental to the animals. Sometimes they don't take care of them properly, don't give them a proper place which leads to health problems. In some cases, animals die in zoos and die in a state of neglect but are hated by the zoo. They did not really take care of him well. The third reason is that animals that are caught and taken outside their habitats will have an impact on the animals' physiological problems because animals actually live in a groups and in the wild so that the animals that are caught will be limited in interacting with nature, their partners and their health so that they will physiological problems arise and threats and unnatural behavior such as eating or playing with one's own faces. Therefore, zoos are not sustainable for animals' life because these animals will get more harm than good. Zoos should not be placed to earn money but to protect animals. Let's talk about in the second argument. Why would zoos eliminated their natural habitats? When animals are taken outside their natural habitats and placed in an environment outside their natural habitats, sometimes they are brought because their natural habitats have been changed by humans for their own interests. Apart from that, animals that have been caught often die when they are released back into their natural habitats. They are released because they have become old animals because those only use young animals to attract the public for money. An example is when young lions are kidnapped and imprisoned in small dens. When they are old and no longer attracted to visitors, they will be released back into their real environment, which even though they have sometimes been given training, they will not survive long in the original environments because they cannot really adapt quickly to old age. Therefore, with our argument above, namely that zoos are detrimental to animals and can eliminate their natural habitats, we are confident that we are support these motions. Thank you.